welcome everybody to channel 1MA. Today we will be discussing the ZK rollups and the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade. So a couple of disclaimers: this is not financial or investment advice. So we're going to be looking at a few things, which is the ZK rollups and the upgrade process and when to expect it to be completed. So looking at ethereum.org, and I'll put the links down below, there's two steps that are still remaining: the merge and the shard chains, and this is estimated to be completed in 2022 as of right now. So the merge, basically this is going to enable the entire network to be which is going to allow for staking on the entire network. The beacon chain it's already live right now. This is some of the staking is, you can do it right now, and the upgrades you can basically do them in the future. That's what it lays the groundwork for. And the shard chains are your data storage points, basically. With the Ethereum 2.0, and I'll summarize this later for you guys. It's basically are gonna allow for multiple storage points where it's going to create transaction abundancy. It's going to allow for more transactions to be posted, which I believe will create millionaires and billionaires. So stay tuned for that. So looking at a few articles that talk about Ethereum 2.0, this is Gemini.com. This also talks about the phases, 1, 2, and 3, your main things: the sharding process, the beacon chain, the POS framework, and Metropolis. So the key thing you want to take away from this article is that it's expecting 2023 to be the final completion of this upgrade. However, according to some other sources, and I'll put the links down below, June 2022 on or before that, the merge is expected to be completed. And looking at the price action, Ethereum has gone up significantly in the last couple of years, and especially the last couple of months. It actually hit a new all-time high of 4,800, I believe, not too long ago. And yeah, there it is right there, 4,800, 4,812 on 11/7. And I do believe in crypto.com it was much higher. It was like 4,850. But with the upgrade to 2.0, Ethereum 2.0, I do believe this will not be an all-time high. I think it will be shattered, and I'll put the reasons for my beliefs. So there's a couple of things that we want to look at in the ZK rollups. So what they are, they're basically transactions processed outside of the Ethereum network. That's what a rollup is, and it gets transmitted back to the network. That's what, and then it posts those transactions. It batches them together, compresses the data, and then posts them on the single Ethereum chain. And that's kind of what Ethereum 1.0 is doing right now with the smart contracts and whatnot. But this will go away as the sharding process comes in effect. So the key thing that you want to notice is the phase 2 is expected to be completed in June 2022. And what this will do is allow for many transactions to be executed, from going from 13 transactions to 100,000 transactions per second. So that's the ultimate scalability. And how that's going to be done is the proof of staking, the proof of work blockchain components, and the Ethereum shard storage points. So the sharding process, it stores all your the data, and then those transactions can be lumped up faster and posted faster. So basically it's clearly creating this mass influx of transaction. Right now it's opening up, but there's still a little bit of bottleneck. So this potentially can be the gateway to creating millionaires and billionaires. So the reasons why I believe that is because it's going to reduce the gas fees. The technology platform is going to be successful because of sharding storage points. It's going to allow for many mass storage, and then it's going to increase its scalability, and this is going to draw in more users and investors. So but the main challenges that I do see is the composability and the liquidity. All transactions have to be composed in the same batch or rollup, or it will not be successful. And the liquidity, it's going to allow for a much higher slippage, which could be an issue, and that's going to be it's going to lower the liquidity. So those are my points why I believe the ZK rollups will essentially create millionaires and billionaires. So if you do happen to like the substance of this video, be sure to subscribe. Thank you.